First, the bikes. Best in show, number 7, Jason Rupp from Orchard Park, the custom hardtail. Most extreme, number 4, Rick Schwab with the 2010 chopper. Rat bike, number 10, Brett Becky with the rat bike. Now for the cars. Best in show, A, John from Dunkirk, 1923 T-Bucket. Best paint, F, Jeff from West Seneca with the Dodge Viper. And most customized is the 1937 Olds. We didn't get a name. And come get your trophies.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Alright, best tattoos, male over here, female over here. Let's see them. Oh, it's a beautiful tattoo of your daughter. And he's got his whole family on the other side. Got another daughter. Got another daughter. American Eagle, American flag, very patriotic. Gotta like it, gotta like it. Oh, nice. Look at this. You got a pool table, Grim Reaper. This is pretty sweet. This is top 1 so far. Oh, that's a sweet dragon. Ace of Spades. Oh, wow, this one's sweet. You ever see Clash of the Titans? Got Medusa right here. 2 flags with the POW with the eagle. Let's see what you got. Oh, wow. That's staying up here, too. I think we got a winner. With that girl right there, she helped you out. I would have loved you. We got another portrait. This is I Love Lucy. Got the Sacred Heart right here. Little naughty spot. There we go.
There you go. She's doing it.
I think number 1's the winner.
Hey, I think I got a guy right next to me who's got a long beard. Can I get him to go up?
Got a man with a beard right here. I think